This is my mate, Fooey. He snores a little bit.
Fooey, are you putting that on, mate? I don't think you are. We've just roped you up to the garden hose there. That's not coming undone. That's a sailor's knot right there.
Triple granny.
You're going to get up for a piss at some stage in the night, and you're not going to know what you're doing, bro. What are you doing, bro? You sleeping? Fair dinkum. How can a fucking chick sleep next to you? It's got me fucked.
That's a big snore.
That's alright, eh? Like, we're speaking pretty loud between each other, rude boy. And between you and me,